Today we're blending a Lychee Jasmine lemon frappe from China. It makes 2 servings and takes about 10 minutes. Let's make it frosty and refreshing. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 1½ cups canned lychees, drained. This gives a sweet, floral base. 1 cup chilled jasmine tea, unsweetened, for delicate aroma and balance. 1/4 cup lychee syrup from the can. Adds gentle sweetness. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. Bright acidity to lift the flavors. 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. A subtle warm note. 2 cups ice cubes. For that frosty, blended texture. 3 whole lychees for garnish. Juicy finish on top. 2 lemon slices for garnish. A bright look and aroma. 2 fresh mint sprigs for garnish. Cool and fragrant finish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Add the drained 1½ cups of lychees to the blender jar. Pour in 1 cup of chilled, unsweetened jasmine tea. Add 1/4 cup of lychee syrup from the can. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. Add 2 cups of ice cubes to the blender. Secure the lid and blend on low for 10 seconds to break up the ice. Turn it up to high and blend for 30 to 45 seconds until the mixture is smooth and frosty. Stop the blender. Let the foam settle for 10 seconds, then give it a 5-second pulse to finish smoothing. Pour the frappe evenly into 2 12-ounce glasses. Garnish with 3 whole lychees, divided between the 2 glasses. Add 1 lemon slice to each glass. Top each glass with 1 fresh mint sprig and serve immediately with straws. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this frosty mocktail, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a blend.